Hello there. In this video we're going to unbox this cool robotics kit and have a look at what is inside. Wow, look at all the amazing parts. We've got an instruction booklet with stickers. This booklet has easy to follow steps to help you build your robot. There are lots of bags with elements for building the robot. All of the bags are numbered. We will have a look at them later. This is the main motor with a USB cable for charging. And this is the remote control, and it will require two AA batteries. Unscrew the rear and insert the batteries. Press the power switch here on the motor. It should blink. Now turn on the remote control. It should start to blink as it tries to pair with the motor. Once it's paired, the lights on both the motor and the remote control should stop to blink. Let's do a quick test. The orange gears on the motor should move when you press the buttons on the remote. Perfect, we are ready to move on. Now let us have a quick look at the bags that we have been provided. There are 9 bags. There are multiple bags with the same number. For instance, there are 5 bags with label 1. There are 4 bags with label 2. All of the bags also have a smaller label. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Don't mix them up. The book shows you which bags to use for each step. The bag numbers are shown in the book. All of the instructions are in pictures. It says here we will start with all the bags with label 1. There are 5 bags with label 1. We will start with the elements from the first 5 bags only to build the robot. We do not need the other bags labeled 2. For now let's put the other 4 bags labeled 2 back in the box. Open the first 5 bags carefully with scissors. It's a good idea to empty the elements from each bag into separate containers. That way, they won't get mixed up, roll away, or get lost. Lay them out as shown here. We have emptied out the 5 bags. We have kept the empty bags in the container. Do not throw away these bags. Bag 1 has been emptied into section 1. Bag 2 has been emptied into section 2. And so on. We know exactly where each bag has been emptied, and by keeping the bags in the container will help us to identify them. We are now well set and prepared to begin building the robot. Let's start with step 1 in the book. The blue box shows the elements we need. The yellow box shows how to connect them together. For the benefit of this video, we have shown here the bag number where you can find these elements. This should make it quicker and easier to find the elements. For example, this red element is from bag 4. This element can be found in bag 5. We will take 2 of these from bag 4 and put them to one side. We will take 2 of these from bag 5 and put them to one side. And same for the other elements. We have shown here where you can find the elements. Once we have all elements needed for this step, we can proceed to follow the steps shown here to connect them together. We will repeat this process for all of the steps going forward. Pause the video as necessary as you follow along the steps. Rewind this video if necessary to watch again. We hope you can follow along with the instruction from here on as shown in the book. If the step you are building doesn't look right or the parts just don't connect together the way you expect them to, we recommend taking a step back and having another look at the building instructions. Try taking apart the step and then building them again. You'll also want to make sure all of your elements are pressed together well. Now let's connect the elements we took out for step 1. From here on we will follow the steps as shown in the book and move swiftly along. Let's go.